deep and narrow land with a moderate slope and overlooking rice fields. The layout uses slope to distribute the program across the two buildings. The superstructure contains 3 master bedrooms and a service area. The lower building is spread around a central courtyard, kitchen, dining room, 2 lounges, bar area and 2 guest bedrooms and a subterranean cinema in the basement. The 2 buildings are connected by a steel bridge covered with sliding wooden screens that let in wind and block out sunlight and rain. The layout of the grounds allows for the creation of different areas, a central garden, terraces with ancient trees and a roof terrace to enjoy the views. The swimming pool takes advantage of the entire area of the house,